Hello, my name's Paul Sheriff. Welcome to my course, Use Data Annotations in Any C# Application. So why should you take my course? I've been a professional developer and top-rated trainer since 1986. I'm going to show you real-world concepts, not just language syntax. I'm going to help you break down those complex subjects into easy-to-understand steps. I'm also going to be giving you sample code, hands-on labs, and links to other technical references and answers to any questions you may have on my course material. So please take some time and subscribe to my channel, Paul.Sheriff. Hi, my name's Paul Sheriff, and I have a passion for teaching. I've been training for over 35 years. I've written 14 books, hundreds of video training courses, articles, and blog posts. I've been a speaker at major conferences and user groups around the world. I'm a mentor for high school and college students. I've been a software consulting business owner for over 30 years. My contact info is psheriff@pdsa.com or visit my website at www.pdsa.com. This course applies to .NET 6, 7, and .NET 8. You can use VS Code version 1.75 and above, and Visual Studio 2022 and above. I have many full-length courses on my YouTube channel. C# fundamentals, object-oriented programming, minimal web API development using MVC, start and run a successful business, and lots more coming. Please subscribe to my channel, Paul.Sheriff. Who should take this course? Any business application developer using C#. And you want to learn how to validate data using attributes, using the Microsoft built-in data annotations, maybe even create your own custom data annotations. Maybe you're a QA person that needs to understand how to test C# applications decorated with those data annotations. Maybe you're a development manager that needs to communicate better with their programmers. The objectives for this course are to learn the built-in .NET annotations that are available to you. You're going to create a generic class to validate data annotations in any C# application. You're going to modify the standard validation messages to be your own messages. You're going to create your own custom validation class to validate data, and you're going to inherit from the validation attribute to create your own custom data annotation attributes. For this course, I'm going to assume that you are familiar with C# programming, object-oriented programming, Visual Studio, or Visual Studio Code. No prior knowledge of data annotations is required. I am assuming that you're installing .NET 6 or later. Let's go over the lessons in this course. First off, course overview for data annotations in C# applications. We're then going to take a look at an overview of those .NET annotations and a sample of using them in a C# console application. We're going to talk about validating data annotations programmatically in C#, adding the error message property to the required attribute, how the display attribute changes the error message. We'll talk about the max length, min length, and string length attributes, using the range attribute with numeric and date data. We're going to check data using the regular expression annotation, take a look at the email address, phone, URL, and credit card annotations, compare two property values using the compare attribute. We're going to build your own validation using the custom validation attribute. And then we're going to build custom validations by inheriting from the validation attribute class in C#, where we'll create a dynamic date range validator in C#, and we'll create a custom compare validation class in C#. I highly recommend that you take the time to do the labs. These are step-by-step instructions to solidify your understanding of the topics taught in this course. Labs and sample code are available at pdsa.com/YouTube. And while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. Now, join me on your journey to learning data annotations in C#.